So I know y'all looking at me kind of crazy like, girl, what is that braid pattern? Really, it really is no braid pattern. It's just how I'm going to braid it, because I'm going to show you how I slay a U-part crochet wig. That's right. I went to the hair store because your sister, your cousin, was tired of doing my hair every morning in this little slick back, and I needed something where I could like braid my hair back, not be a straight wig. So I found this U-part free trust brand crochet wig in water wave, right? It's the color 1B, and I like the fact that it's a U-part because it allows me to have, you know, my own little free crochet braids up in here where I can do maybe a side part, you know what I mean? Like I can hook the wig up here and there, because it is just like, okay, I'm just gonna stop talking and I'm just gonna get into slaying this whole little wig for y'all. But before I do that, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. What are you waiting for? I mean, I already did my 1K giveaway on Instagram, and I am so ready to do a 500 subscriber giveaway here on YouTube. But I need you guys to actually subscribe. There's like 90% of y'all watching, but y'all not subscribed. There's like 9,000 of y'all watching, but y'all not subscribed. What you waiting for? I'm about to slay this wig. Let's just get into it. Come through, cousin. Y'all, we need to name her. Like, we seriously need to name her. What should we name her? Try and give her a nice little classy name, because she is classy. Should we call her Nancy? Let me stop playing. Let me stop. For the culture. Huh.